The Hagley Park Road Improvement Project, like the four current Mid-P Legacy Roadworks, is a multidimensional and simply mega undertaking. The Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, in pursuit of cost efficiencies in relation to infrastructure development, has sought to align the work programs of the NWC with that of the National Works Agency. This has resulted in more expansive and extensive road improvement projects. The Hagley Park Road Legacy Project, for example, involves 5 separate components that could easily be treated as standalone projects. This includes bridge construction works, drainage improvement, potable water supply improvement, sewer works, and road widening and reconstruction. There is in fact a 6th component, as traffic management and intersection improvement are key features of the project. This will later facilitate the installation of new and upgraded traffic signals at 8 critical intersections along the corridor. In addition, 3 different types of pipelines totaling 7,000 meters, 7,484 meters of stormwater culverts, 5,968 meters of both 200mm and 300mm sewer lines, 84 manholes, a box culvert, 2 overpass bridges spanning 90 and 400 meters respectively, and 425 meters of retaining wall are either being constructed or installed under the Hagley Park Road Improvement Project. Where possible, 2 or more activities under the project are done simultaneously. Others, however, have to await the completion of preparatory or preliminary works. It is not at all possible, for example, to undertake road construction, water supply, and drainage improvement activities in a given area at the same time. Channels have to first be dug for culverts or pipelines, following which the area is covered up or backfilled, creating the surface on which the new roadway will be constructed. Pipeline works create dugout area, stockpiles of material, and dust, and have proven to be quite an intrusive aspect of road construction projects. Provisions to mitigate the impact of trenching are clearly outlined in the contract of works. The NWA requires its contractors to maintain access to properties during such activities, as well as to use appropriate dust control methods such as wetting and covering of excavated material. The NWA regrets the inconvenience the works would have caused. The implementation of the project is, however, necessary for residents and businesses along the Hagley Park Road to benefit from a more efficient and reliable delivery of water supply, as well as a central sewer disposal for the first time. The new drainage system will also mitigate the impact of stormwater runoff on the brand new road surface. And where major infrastructural improvement occurs, an increase in property value certainly follows. To date, the underground infrastructural road under the Hagley Park Road Improvement Project is advancing satisfactorily. 5,000 meters or 71.5% of the water pipeline have so far been laid. 5,000 meters or 80% of the sewer mains have been installed, while 70% of the drainage improvement works is now complete. In fact, pipeline works are fully done along a few sections of the roadway, where base material is now being spread and compacted, kicking off the long-awaited road construction phase of the project. The first bit of roadworks is most evident over a 1-kilometer section of the corridor between Waltham Park Road and Carpenter Road. Concrete median barriers, which are being installed at the same time, stretches as far as Elspeth Avenue. As for the bridge construction works at 3 miles, this is indeed the fastest advancing component of the US $59 million road project. 2 overpass bridges are being constructed at what is the island's busiest intersection. They are expected to greatly improve traffic flow with uninterrupted vehicular movement at all sides of the interchange. Overhead, the final bit of works continues on completing the decks of both overpasses. Overall work on the bridges is now 90% complete. The mega Hagley Park Road Improvement Major Road and Legacy Project is contractually due to be completed in June 2019. The NAA is now over halfway towards this target, as 60% of the works have been implemented thus far. When completed, over 35,000 motorists will return to a totally reconstructed 4-lane separated dual carriageway. The brand new 3.5-kilometer roadway, which will run from Chesterfield Drive Extension to Maxfield Avenue, will be signalized at the most intuitive points to aid effective traffic management, including, for the first time, at the Kingston Avenue, Amara Road, Hagley Park Preparatory, and Margarita Villa Road intersections. A warning, however, to eager motorists: the new roadway shouldn't be taken as an invitation to speed, as the courier will be outfitted with LPR or license plate recognition cameras that will be able to capture your infractions instantly. With 4 months remaining under the Hagley Park Road Improvement Project contract, we certainly are looking forward to summer.